Let me show you how to customize PasswordFree buttons in a few and easy steps.
Open your PasswordFree app and go to the customization page. Here we have two main options: buttons and other elements. In the button settings, we can adjust button alignment, left, center, right or full width, logo and theme, default or inverse. We can play with the button attributes like background color, corner radius, border thickness and color, and text and font colors. So let's look how it works. Or we can update background color of the button. Let's make it yellow. And we can play with the text color. Let's make it red. So we can see the updates in the preview section. The customization can be done for the default state of the button and for the hovered state as well. You can also adjust the alignment. The default one is the centered placement, but you can play with the alignment just like the kitchen's website did. Beyond buttons, you can modify other elements. That means that you can change the divider line and orienter a text. So you can play with the thickness, you can delete it just simply, or with the text settings. If you're done with the settings, do not forget to click Apply, so that all updates can be displayed in your store.
And that's it. Customizing PasswordFree to match your brand is very simple, fast and effective. Want to try it out? Head to your customization settings right now